This video tutorial I will explain HTTP headers. HTTP headers are a fundamental part of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is nothing but HTTP protocol. And HTTP protocol is the foundation of data communication on the internet. And HTTP headers provides important information about the request and important information about the response, which is being sent between the web browser and the web server. Here we will see what are HTTP headers. HTTP headers are additional pieces of information that are sent along with the main content of the HTTP request or HTTP response. HTTP headers consist of key value pairs and are used to transmit various types of information about the communication between a client and the server. Now we will see request headers. When you visit the website, your web browser sends HTTP request to the server to retrieve a web page or other resources. Request headers contain information about the request itself. And there are common request headers that we will see one by one. First one is user agent. This header tells the server what browser and operating system you are using. The second one is accept header. It indicates the type of content your web browser can handle, such as HTML, images, or JSON. The third one is host header. This header specifies the domain name of the server you want to connect to. Now we will see response headers. After receiving an HTTP request, the web server sends back HTTP response, which contains the requested content. The response headers provide additional information about the response. There are some common response headers are there. We will see that. Content type. This header informs the browser about the type of content being sent, like HTML, text, images, or videos. HTTP status code, which indicates the outcome of the request, such as success, example 200 OK, redirection, example 301 moved permanently, or error, example 404 not found. Now we will see cookies. Cookies are specific type of header that store data on the user's computer. They are often used to remember user sessions, track preference, and provide a personalized browsing experience. Now we will see why HTTP headers are important. HTTP headers play a crucial role in enabling effective communication between clients and the servers. HTTP headers ensure the content is delivered correctly and the server and the client understand each other's capabilities and the requirements. Now we will see what is custom headers. In addition to standard headers, developers can create custom headers to include specific information which is relevant to their applications. These headers can be used to pass data or instruction between the client and the server. Now we will see security and privacy related headers. Some headers like the content security policy and strict transport security are used to enhance security and privacy on the web. They help to protect against security vulnerabilities and ensure secure connections. In summary, HTTP headers are critical part of web communication, which helps browsers and servers exchange information and understand each other's capabilities and also ensure the correct handling of web content. While some headers are standard and well known, others can be customized to meet specific needs in the web development. And understanding HTTP headers is essential for web developers and anyone interested in how the internet works. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.